So
Actually, I used to have doubt because the seven chakras activation, I am at which stage, which place. Because most of the times I'll get itching at this place, and here I can feel the weight or the energies even while doing some work in the kitchen or somewhere else. When I observe the breath, I can feel the heavy weight over this part on the head and all. Then I used to get doubt whether chakras activation is done and went to that stage, or again it is go. It means at which place or what it is happening in my body, what changes are going to take place. I used to have that doubt, but 2 days before when I had this thing, again I had a doubt that what I'm still in Muladhara chakra only. I had this type of doubt and all confusion and all. Then okay, what it wants to happen, let it happen. I'll do my meditation. That's it. I felt like that. Okay.
yeah, yeah. So every chakra is evolving more and more. Okay, even though all chakras are active, for example.
Okay.
So, for example, the pipeline is there. Okay,
Yeah.
it's like you can see uh, data cable is the data cable. Okay, LAN. Okay, data cable. Earlier it used to transfer 10 kilobytes per per second, for example. Now 1 Mbps. Now 100 Gbps. That means the channels might be there, but its upgradation is happening. Already active might be there, but the higher energies it needs to balance and maintain. So upgradation process is always taking place in all the chakras. All the chakras will upgrade next level, next level, next level, like that. Okay.
Mm.
So our body, uh, the how much energy we take it, we maintain it. That energy, the physical body, how much energy it can tolerate, it can or not, it can take it out. It can balance. Our aura size is initially for 3 feet or 4 feet, but when as and when we are meditating, the aura size is 100 feet or 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers. And the aura, how much our aura is there, automatically the physical body is also needs to evolve. It needs to become strong. Okay, the many processes will be happening in every cell in our body, every heart and everything in our body will become stronger and stronger automatically. That's what happens. Okay, to maintain that higher energy, the infinite energy, we need to be in contact with infinite energy always. That's where we are going. So so automatically body parts and all the chakras will get upgradation definitely.
Okay.